Before we start cooking, this is Babe's new favorite thing. Maybe they should send us a couple bottles. The Keto One Botanical line, it just came out. Cucumber, mint, they have like a grapefruit one. It's like a $20 high class scam. What, babe?
Like me, babe, I'm high class.
I know I said high class scam. Anyways, let's get to chopping and cooking, babe. Red beans and rice. We got stuff to make.
Okay.
We gotta make Papa Texas dinner.
Okay.
It's Josh! Josh and Babe!
It's Papa Texas.
We're making a video. Red beans and rice. Did I sound like Papa? Come on, I sounded like Papa. Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
Well, you're covering me, so make it close to me. Who wants the spotlight?
Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe, who just arrived. By the way, after a 7-hour drive. And here I am, getting on camera. You're welcome.
Today, this is a collaboration video. As you could see earlier, we did our Papa Texas intro. Now this is our real intro. This is gonna be a collaboration video. We're making a dish for Papa Texas. And what are we making, babe?
Red beans and rice.
Homemade, from scratch, red beans and rice with a little bit of sausage. We got that winery that Babe went to in the pork chop video that we talked about. She got some of their hot sauce. So we're gonna do red beans and rice. We're gonna do some sausage, like some smoked sausage in it, and then a little bit of hot sauce on it. It's gonna be good, everything from scratch. So, Papa Texas, thank you for doing the collaboration with us, and we really appreciate it. Papa Texas was one of the first cooking channels that I found when we started even before I pitched Babe, going, Babe, we're gonna do a YouTube channel.
I don't know if he necessarily pitched me. I think he just sucked me into it.
Well, so like one of the very first people that I subscribed to was Papa Texas. I love his stuff. He has all kinds of stuff, his granddaughters, everything on it. So anyways, Papa Texas, thank you so much. We're making this dish for you. We're dedicating it to you. We appreciate the collaboration. And without further ado, here we go!
Okay, so Babe purchased these for red beans and rice. And I told him even Zatarain's doesn't use these. So I said, you need to go get dry beans from the bin and you gotta soak them. So last night, while I was in Reading, he put these in and they've been soaking for almost 24 hours. And these are the beans we'll use. These will be for salad.
Sorry, babe, I got confused.
It's all right, babe. Okay.
So some of the things that you're going to need in this recipe, obviously the sausage is in the refrigerator, the rice, we'll get to that. But we got the red beans, we got the onion, bell pepper, cayenne, sage, parsley, Cajun, bay leaves, some olive oil. We're going to cut all that up. We probably should add some thyme in there too, but we're out of time, man. This is a 3-hour cook.
Can we go to La Casino while we wait?
No, babe, we got to make Papa dinner.
Okay.
Babe, I like your Babe shirt.
Thanks, Babe.
So in our pork chop video, a lot of people said that we need to do a mukbang, and we need to talk about couple stuff, and we need to talk about how we met.
Farmersonly.com.
Yeah.
I was trying to get you to move to Reading,
Yeah.
and you tricked me by saying you were interested because you were on Farmers Only. But really,
But I'm not really a farmer.
you're not really a farmer. I love red beans and rice. That used to be one of my go-tos. When I'd make burritos for my family, I would do red beans and rice and then some kind of meat.
So basically, I got the dry beans after I messed up the one thing. I got the dry beans, I soaked them for 24 hours. Basically, you're going to cut the whole white onion. You're gonna cut either one large green bell pepper or 2 small ones. We got 2 small ones. You're gonna cut it all fine. The onion you can probably put in like the Ninja and anyways. So, and then we gotta cut garlic. We gotta cut like 2 things of celery, like 2 celery stock things.
Okay.
A little bit of olive oil. We're gonna, do all that in a little pan. We're gonna bell pepper, garlic, celery, olive oil, all that in the skillet. We're gonna get it hot and spicy like you, babe.
Oh yeah.
And then we're gonna add in, the stuff that we sauteed, and then we're gonna add in like some 2 bay leaves, cayenne pepper, sage, parsley, Cajun seasoning. We're gonna bring it to a boil, and then we're gonna simmer it for 2.5 hours, babe, slow cook style.
What are we gonna do during that 2.5 hours, babe?
We're gonna kiss.
On the list.
And we're gonna kiss on the lips. Yeah, we're gonna French kiss. So we're gonna simmer that for 2.5 hours, and then after 2.5 hours, babe, we're gonna cut up the sausage that I got,
Okay.
and then we're gonna put that in the mix for like 30 more minutes, and then that'll be done. And then in the meantime, you could cook rice the old school way in like a pan with some steam and all that, but we have a rice cooker, so we're gonna cook some like long grain white rice. Then we're gonna plate it up, we're gonna put white rice, we're gonna put the whole mixture, and then we're gonna put a couple dabs of some Tabasco. Remember that winery you went to?
Yes, sir. I
The
do.
one in the pork chop video?
Yeah, babe.
You also got hot sauce from them.
Yeah.
So then we're gonna put a couple driblets.
Okay.
Is that a word?
Yeah.
Driblet.
Yeah.
Hot sauce.
Yeah. Okay.
This is kind of like a mukbang, only you're cutting. It's called a cut bang. You were driving all day,
I'm a little tired.
and now you're cutting.
Yeah, I found a new show.
Oh, you did?
I really love it.
What was the show?
It's called Longmire. It's on Netflix.
Longmire?
Mm-hmm.
What's that about?
It's about a sheriff's department in Wyoming, and they do all the country cop stuff. They're country, like they get to wear jeans to work, babe.
We don't get to wear jeans.
And then
or-
he goes out, and he's like, hey, you are doing bad. And he's like, takes care of him the old fashioned way.
We don't take care of people the old-fashioned way either.
No.
We take care of them with love, respect, and hugs.
Yeah, exactly. There's our bell pepper.
Bell pepper.
Okay, what's next?
And onion. Look right at the camera so that I could put Ray Charles sunglasses on you. Ah! So you're gonna ninja some onion. We need one whole
Now,
onion.
can I mix this all together?
Yeah, yeah, babe. It's all going together.
Boy, this thing makes life so much easier.
Babe, I got you that for Christmas last year.
Yeah, you did.
I'm gonna buy you a blender this year for Christmas.
Only if it's a Vitamix.
That's $500.
Well, babe. Oh, babe, it's coming.
What's coming, babe? Are you okay? Annie, are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, that'll help. What,
I don't know
babe?
why you make me do it.
It's because everybody on the comments says that I have no business cooking. I have no idea what I'm doing.
I don't either.
And Babe's the cook.
No, I don't
and
have
just
any
stick with
business
Babe.
either.
She'll guide you in the right way. You're a disgrace to cooking.
I don't have any business cooking either, babe. I know how to cook.
Maybe we should just cancel the Josh and Babe YouTube channel, and I should just do a different channel. I could do a channel on, I don't know what I'll do a channel on, but I'll do a channel on something else, because apparently the cooking isn't working out for us.
You're gonna do a channel on by yourself?
No, babe. I would
just-
never do a channel by
You just
myself.
said you're gonna cancel it and you're gonna do something else.
I would never, babe.
You're gonna do a video.
One day the Josh and Babe YouTube channel is going to have 1,000 subscribers.
You're gonna do it.
And then I'm going to sit on my 1,000 subscriber throne. And I'm going to be like,
Are you sure that's not too much onion? I mean, that is a lot of onion.
it said one large onion.
I don't like onion.
Okay, then don't do any more. Then don't do any more.
It's a lot.
Don't do any more then, babe. Papa Texas doesn't like spicy stuff.
Onion's not spicy.
Well, it's going to be delicious when it's sauteed in olive oil.
It's very fragrant.
Babe, put some garlic in there. The whole thing of garlic. That's fine. Garlic, in.
We'll have to peel it.
Yeah. Push, babe, push. Do you need me to come over there and help you? I'm not even going to be in this video since 91 or 92% of our viewers are men. Nobody wants to see me do anything. So
Go ahead and you do you, boo-boo.
So babe, bell pepper, onion, garlic, celery, slicing. And then we're gonna put it in a pan with olive oil and we're gonna saute all that concoction.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do the beans.
Okay.
Wait, these beans are really, you have to soak them for 24 hours. And then you gotta put them in the thing, simmer for 2.5 hours.
So for overnight to make really
Babe, I had to check for rocks in the beans.
rocks.
Rocks in your socks. Rocks in the beans. And I feel like the quantity that we're making is enough for Papa Texas and me and you and half the state of Texas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
But what do they say about Texas? Everything's
Everything's bigger.
bigger in Texas.
Yeah, babe. Yeah. The Cowboys.
Let's get our cast iron ready right there on the stove. Yeah, move your rib plate out of the way.
Okay.
Let's get our cast iron ready.
Okay.
Olive oil, hot, medium heat.
Eyes are burning.
All right, step number 1, babe.
Yeah, babe.
Cast iron, hot olive oil.
And a lot of onions.
It's okay, babe. Holy moly, you really are making a Texas-sized meal.
Yeah, babe.
Yeah, we want to get all that sauteed.
You got the windows open?
You know why? Is it going to get stinky in here?
Gonna get...
Hey, look, that fan goes to nowhere.
Oh.
Pointless.
Okay.
Woo! That is fragrant. Mm-hmm. That's okay. We need to saute that. You need to brown that, get it all sexy and... Oh, babe, this is going to be awesome when it's all done.
Yeah. Okay, babe, I'm gonna rinse the beans. We're gonna rinse them really good. They've been soaking for 24 hours. And then we're going to put them in the pot. And we're doing 6 cups of water, you said?
Yeah, I think 6 cups of water is good.
Okay.
Are you using that good purified water, babe?
Yeah, babe, this is how you have to do water in Southern California, I guess.
What do you need me to do, babe? I'll do anything for you. I would do anything for red beans and rice. Where is the spatula tonight? And I'll stir it in a minute. That's good.
Okay.
All those sauteed goodness. Look at this. Look at this goodness. Beans, onions, celery, bell pepper, garlic. Now we got to add in a bunch of crazy stuff.
Okay. What now?
Are you ready for craziness, babe?
Yep. Give it to me.
Woo! Half a teaspoon cayenne pepper. And of course, we'll put this recipe that we're doing down in the description.
I mean, that's a lot of cayenne. You want more?
Okay, no, don't do any more then. Oh, you're just gonna do a tiny bit more? Okay. A 1/4 teaspoon of dry sage. 1/4 teaspoon of dry. Babe, I had to buy that whole thing of dry sage. It costs like $5.
4 sages up there.
We do?
Yeah.
No, we don't have any sage.
Yeah, we do.
I text you and you said we don't have sage.
Well, I just looked and we do.
Oh, well, thank you for making me buy that for $5.
You're welcome.
For 1/4 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon, tablespoon of dried parsley. 1 teaspoon of Cajun. Raging
How is
Cajun.
that possible?
I don't know, put a little more
1
in.
teaspoon.
Let's recap. 1 pound dry kidney beans, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 large onion, green bell pepper, minced garlic, celery, water in there, 2 bay leaves, cayenne pepper, sage, parsley, Cajun seasoning. We're gonna add the sausage in it. Yeah, babe. Yeah. There's just so many things I could do to your face while we're just filming this.
My eyes are still burning from
yeah.
the onions.
1 pound of sausage, which we have in the refrigerator. And then we gotta do the rice.
Wait, okay.
So right now,
A little bit of salt.
put some salt in it then.
I don't know why there wouldn't be salt.
Babe's going rogue and adding salt.
Okay, I'm doing it.
And now we're bringing this all the stuff, all the beans, everything, we're bringing it to a boil. Then we're gonna simmer it. Do you have to cover it when you simmer it, babe? Mm-hmm. So we're gonna simmer it for 2.5 hours. It's 5, what time is it? What time is it, Papa? 5:16. Whew, we're not gonna eat dinner till late tonight, babe.
30 minutes, starting now.
Oh, babe, what do you got going on here?
I was doing our Instagram,
Yeah?
Josh and Babe.
Follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, Babe.
Well, let's put it on the screen at Josh_and_babe. Boom. Follow Instagram. Yeah. It's 5:22 in the PM Pacific Standard Time. Oh yeah. Oh, that's sexy. So what are we doing now? Low heat for 2.5 hours.
2,000 years later.
So I am cutting up the link sausage and we're putting it in. It's been simmering for 2.5 hours. So here we are with the link sausage. And I'm cutting it up into little baby pieces. And we're gonna let it sit for another 30 minutes while we cook the rice, which is right behind you. So we are so close to being done. This is Hillshire Farm sausage. Alexa, Set an alarm for 30 minutes.
It's so good. Red beans and rice. So good. Well, that's it. You saw the final product. It's time for bed. Maybe Papa will come over and help do some dishes. Thank you everyone for watching.